Hey there, Beautyistic fam! Are you ready to get your lashes looking their absolute best? Today, we're going to dive into a product that promises not only long-lasting wear, but also serious volume. The Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer. Mascara primers have been a game changer in the beauty world, and this one is no exception. With a waterproof formula that promises to improve mascara wear for over 24 hours, it's designed to keep your lashes looking fresh, no matter what life throws at you. Whether you're dealing with humidity, a long day, or even a night out, this primer's got you covered. Let's talk about what makes it special. The double arch crescent brush is a standout feature. It's designed to separate and coat each lash with precision. This brush ensures that even the tiniest lashes get the attention they deserve, which means no clumps or missed spots. Plus, its travel-size packaging makes it super convenient to take on the go, so you're never without your lash-enhancing secret weapon. When it comes to ingredients, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer is cruelty-free, which is a major plus for those who want to make more ethical choices without sacrificing performance. It's also free of harmful chemicals that are often found in many beauty products, so you can feel confident in what you're putting on your skin. Now, how did it perform in real-world testing? I've been using it for a few weeks, and let me tell you, it truly lives up to the hype. I noticed a significant difference in the volume and length of my lashes when paired with my regular mascara. It really does help to hold the curl and prevent smudging or flaking throughout the day. My lashes looked bold and full, without the heavy, crunchy feel that some primers leave behind. It also stayed in place through sweat and humidity, which, in my book, is a win. But as with any product, there are a couple of things worth mentioning. While the formula is fantastic, I did find the brush a little tricky to use at first. It's slightly on the larger side, so if you have smaller eyes or short lashes, you might need a bit of practice to master the application. Also, I did notice that it takes a minute to fully dry, so make sure you're not rushing the process if you're layering on mascara afterward. Let's get to the pros and cons. Pros: waterproof formula that actually lasts for over 24 hours, double arch crescent brush that coats each lash without clumping, cruelty-free and free from harsh chemicals. Travel-size packaging is super convenient, adds significant volume and length to lashes. Cons: the brush can be a bit large for those with smaller eyes or short lashes, needs a bit of drying time before applying mascara over it. Now let's talk about value for money. At first glance, this product may seem a bit on the pricier side for a primer, but when you consider how well it enhances your mascara and keeps it intact for hours, I'd say it's worth the investment. Plus, a little goes a long way, so even with frequent use, this product will last quite a while. In terms of alternatives, if you're on a tighter budget but still looking for a great lash primer, there are a few out there that deliver similar results. However, this one's unique with its waterproof formula and the long-lasting effect it offers. If you're looking for an upgrade, I'd say this is definitely worth a try. In conclusion, the Too Faced Better Than Sex Foreplay Mascara Primer does what it promises. It gives your lashes volume, length, and holds your mascara in place for the long haul. Whether you have a busy day ahead or you're planning a night out, this primer is a solid option that delivers professional quality results. Is this review helpful to you? If so, please like, subscribe, and click the bell icon so other beauty lovers can find this video too. Your support helps us keep making honest reviews like this. Thanks for tuning in, and until next time, stay beautiful inside and out. If you've tried this primer or have any thoughts, drop a comment below and share your experience with us.